Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is your boy Pedro back with another video for the channel. Today we're talking about the news, the financial news of the week, and what is going on with Bitcoin and COTPs, like what is happening with COTPs. This is not going to be entirely about COTPs, but we're going to talk about it. We're going to open the site and see like if anything has changed so far, or we're still at the same point. We can all see that together, because what is going on when you talk about anything else, people come to ask about COTPs. And when you talk about COTPs, people will not like it. They will come like, oh, it's already gone. Why you keep talking about it? But people are still asking questions about it. So it seems like we always should be telling people like what's going on. That's how it looks like. As it stands for me, I'm still waiting while I'm doing my other stuff. I'm not stuck in waiting for COTPs. I've already moved on. But anyway, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time, please subscribe. My name is Pedro. If you don't know me, this is me right here, like right here. So subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and family, and comment. If you have question, in the description, you will see we will have our Telegram group there as well. If you want to get involved in other investments that we do, we are investing in NovaTech and other platforms that still we talk about in the Telegram group. And there are many videos. If this is your video you're watching on this channel, so follow the link, subscribe to the channel and watch as many videos as possible. There will be something that I would like in the video. So having said that, let's move on and read the news. So I got my phone right here so you can read on the screen as well. So it says millions will be wiped out. Robert Kiyosaki says that the big crash he predicted is here, but right now could also be the perfect time to get richer. And here is how. So let's go. Safe havens are hard to find these days. Stocks have plunged. Bitcoin is in the doldrums, and even the recently hot real estate market seems to be cooling down due to the Fed's aggressive rate hikes. While it might be tempting to hide out in cash, Rich Dad Poor Daddy author Robert Kiyosaki believes that it could be the ideal time to get richer. In a tweet on Sunday, Kiyosaki explains how he made fortune by going against the head during the Great Recession. 2008 was a great time to get rich. Everything went on sale. Borrowed millions of dollars buying real estate bargains. He writes, the author has also been calling for a major crash. 2013, I published Rich Daddy's Prophecy, predicting bigger crash coming. That crash is here. Millions will be wiped out. Here's a look at 2 assets that might help you survive this storm. So says, don't miss on Mitt Romney says billionaire tax will trigger demand and blah, blah, blah. So you can go on on Yahoo Finance and read this. You can read this yourself if you are interested in reading this. But there is a video in the channel where I talked about recession. I think it's been 2 months now. I've been saying the recession is coming. As you've been seeing the inflation, everything is going up. So that is the sign of recession. So this is the good time to invest if you wanna be rich after the recession, or if you wanna make money. Maybe you don't wanna be rich, but you will be better off or well off if you are investing now. And in couple of weeks or months, it's going to be very, very difficult for anyone to spare money to invest. So if you haven't invested anything yet, I know it's going to be difficult, but if your name is clean, this time I think is the good time to go on. And if you're going to borrow in from the bank, so you can buy to late and all that kind of stuff. Otherwise, you can invest in because the stocks are going down. In a minute, I'll show you the Bitcoin. I'll show you Bitcoin, how it is and where I'm waiting it to get. So we can all see like where it is now and where we expect it to get and where we should be buying. Okay. So right now, as I said, as you can see on the screen, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin. We're just gonna read the market and see where Bitcoin is. The news is right now you should be investing. I'll show you what is going on with NovaTech, like how we're moving on. Today, Saturday. Yesterday, Friday was a payday, so it was a very, very good pay, 3.26, amazing. So right now, let's move on to Bitcoin. I'll show you Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and show you what's going on with Bitcoin. I'll show you what's going on with Bitcoin right now. Right here, as you can see, this is Bitcoin. Let me remove this. So this is the Bitcoin right here, as you guys can see. So right now it's at, let's see where it is at. So right now, Bitcoin is standing at 19,645, 19,625. This is the weekly time frame. It's the weekly time frame. So if we go a little bit higher, let's see. What I can see right here is a continuation. As you can see, I'm expecting this thing to create a W around this zone. So right now, I think it's still going down. By the way, let me make this clear. I'm not your financial advisor. So I'm not gonna say, don't listen to what I'm saying right now. So it's just me talking. So this is not a financial advice. But Bitcoin, as we can see on a monthly chart, you can see here we have a continuation right here. So it looks like people will still be selling. People will be still selling. I think this is what's gonna happen right here. That's what I'm thinking. So it's gonna do something like this. It goes down. Then it's gonna go up, then down again, then we're gonna start going up. So that might take some time. As we are just at the beginning of the recession, some people who have Bitcoin, they will definitely sell them so they can use that money. Many people will sell. So the more people sell Bitcoin, the more Bitcoin will go down. So I'm expecting this zone here to be filled up, this zone right here. It might not reach the all-time bottom, which is this one here, like at 1,000. I'm not expecting it to get to 1,000, but I think it's gonna get in this zone at least, because this is the zone that I've marked. Sorry. I need to get water. I came and prepared. One second. As I was saying, so this is what I think is gonna happen. This is a longer time frame. This is the longer time frame. But if we go to daily, this is what's going on. The market is going sideways. Just a second. As I was saying, sorry about that, guys. So we were talking about Bitcoin. Right here, this is the daily time frame. As we can see, it's going sideways now. It's between this zone. So I pretty much will say this here, because that is like stop hunt. So between 24,000 and 19,700. So it's going sideways, this area. And if we go to 4 hour, let's see. Yeah, so 4 hour, it's still going sideways, but in a shorter period. So in 4 hour is between 20,000 and 19,790. So it's between this room here. But what I think, I'm gonna stick with the bigger time frame. So I'm thinking it's gonna, because of the how things are going, the recession and all that, I'm expecting this thing to drop a little bit in this zone right here, this zone. I think from this zone, that's when we're gonna get a proper reversal area. So once it start reversing in this zone, maybe this is gonna take time. It's not gonna be now, because this is, each candle is one week. So this is 1 week. This is 1 week, 1 week, 1 week. So it's been like a month all the way going down. For 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, for 1 month it's been going down basically. And I'm not gonna be surprised if it continues going sideways around this zone. So all I'm saying, I'm expecting at least this zone, like around 12,000 maybe. I don't know, but that's what I'm thinking. Maybe around 12,000 zone. So that will take a very long time, not now. But as I said, I'm not your financial advisor. You can still buy if you want to buy. You can still buy. But for me, I think people still sell. People still sell. But the way it looks, yeah, I'll still stick with people selling. So I'm gonna expect it in this zone right here. Yeah, so that's what's going on with Bitcoin. I'm not expecting it to come all the way down here though, but I am expecting it to go lower than lower than where it is right now. So it's still gonna go down. So that was it about the Bitcoin. And on our news, we were talking about so let's touch a little bit about COTPs. I just remembered, let's touch a little bit about COTPs. COTPs, I'm gonna show you what is going on, because as it stands, I don't know what is going on right now, because everything, as we said, everything already looked normal. So let me share and open the website so we can all see what's going on. So we'll all see right here, we have the phone right here. So let's open and see if we're gonna see something different. As you can see right here with COTPs, right now, I don't know what is going on. I really don't. Because if there's anything, it's still the same. And the money is still there as it stands. I'll show you in a minute. So I don't know what's going on, because I heard people talking about people talking about the money being frozen again. Like all the money that was going was already moving on, which was supposed to get the account started, is now it's been frozen again. That's what I heard, but I haven't I still don't know how, I still don't know why. So right now, for those that are asking the question about COTPs, as you can see, the website is still doing the same thing as the beginning as it was. So I really don't know. You can see right here, this is my phone right here. So you can see, so we're seeing exactly the same thing as you on the screen. I'm seeing the same thing, you're seeing the same thing. So, and you see the website right here. It does say, hang on, let me show you properly. So it does say, it does say here, COTPs.com right here. I mean, let me see if you can see the mouse from here. So right here, let me change the color of that one. Yeah, right here, you can see right here, it says COTPs.com. So, and you can see right here, we don't see any transactions. So right here, that's why we're waiting for the transaction to start moving, but nothing is going on. Everything else, the pings are working, everything is working. As you can see, the website is moving right here. Everything is kind of, if they wanted to start, is ready, but I don't know what's going on. I really don't. I can't say I know. I can't say, because I really don't. I don't know what is going on, why they're not coming back. I don't know. So right now, let's check together if we can see the frozen money, as they said. So let's find out. Let me show you the screen. So as I was saying, you've seen how the website is playing out. Everything looks playing okay the same way. Yeah, everything is playing the same way. For me, what I think, I don't know, it looks like they actually, well, they're trading, because the last time when I showed you, obviously, it's been time since I did the update. It's been a long time. The last time when I showed you the money, it was um it was um it was already close to 10 billion. Like the cold wallet was close to 10 billion. But now, as I'm seeing it right now, the cold wallet is back to 7.6 billion, and the hot wallet is 1.2 billion. So so that is like 8.8 billion altogether. So that to me looks like they're making profit, but I'm not sure how long they're going to make profit from that money before they decide to come back and pay us. I don't know. So I'm going to share it to you right now. Let's all see together so we can see what's going on. So those ones that don't like this update, please don't go to the comment and start swearing or start commenting bad things, because as you can see, when I shared something different, people always come and ask about COTPs. So when I share about COTPs, people don't like it. So I don't understand, what do you guys want? So if you don't like this news, then it's fine. Just by now, you should be skipping the video at this point, okay? Or when I finish talking about other stuff. So as I said, so right here now, this is the news I'm giving you. What I want to do is share this screen so we can all see what is going on. Where is that screen again? Sorry guys. Yeah, right here. I was trying to find that screen so I can share it with you guys. As you can see right here, I'm sure I shared the screen. Yeah, so I've shared that screen. So right here, as you can see, you guys, let's get a mouse. Yeah. So right here, this is the hot wallet. And as you can see, the hot wallet here says 1.2 billion right here, 1.2 billion. And the cold wallet is here, the cold wallet. So if you're in doubt, I'm going to refresh it. It's refreshing. The cold wallet is now 7.6 billion right here, 7.6 billion. And the hot wallet, 1.2 billion. So in total, it's like 8.8 billion. But the last time I showed you these two wallets, it was close to 10 billion. It was already 9.6, I think, if I remember properly. So I don't know what's going on, to be honest. I don't know. But you can see the transfers are still happening in between these movements. I don't know what's going on. But the big money, like the last time, all money together, it was 7 billion. So this is close, like when COTPs went off, this is what it was. This is what it was. But eventually it start growing. It reached, this was already 9.6 at a point. And with this money, it was all together about 10 billion. But as you can see right now, we're back at 7 billion as the reserve money, and the moving money is 1.2 billion. So this is what is going on with COTPs as it stands right now. I don't know what is stopping them from coming. I don't know how long this work is going to take them. As I said, it might take a very long time. I still believe they will still come back. I still believe that. But I'm not saying you should believe. If you don't believe, you don't believe, it's fine. But make sure you move on, because this is a recession. Make sure you move on and don't get stuck in the past, okay? All I do think is, that I don't know what they're doing, because as you saw here, the money is there, yeah. Just a second, guys. The phone still keeps on ringing. Sometimes it's difficult to make the video. The phone keeps ringing all the time. So as I was saying, so I'm still believing. I still believe that they will come back. So I don't know what is stopping them. So all I'm gonna say, if you believe, you believe. You don't believe, is fine. Anyone by now should be moving on. You shouldn't be stuck in the past. So you just have to, all I say, the moving on means, just keep your passwords and everything safe. So I don't know what is taking them so long, but as you saw, they're actually making the money from that. All that money that money is making money, because if it was 10 billion, now is back to 8 billion. Something is going on, isn't it? So yeah, everything is moving. So we just have to wait. That's all I have to say right now. So I don't know if I forgot any other news. Oh yeah, I think I forgot. So I'll bring you the news about NovaTech. About NovaTech. NovaTech, we got paid 3.26 this week. Yeah, 3.26. And as it stands right now, they haven't published the result yet. Otherwise, I would have shared it with you guys. But they haven't published the result yet. But NovaTech is paying pretty well. 3.26. That's amazing. Last week we got paid 3.01. So yeah, every week we're moving on. So this month, because it was the end of August, so I'm not sure if this percentages comes, because they paid it on the 2nd of September. I'm not sure if it counts for August or it counts for September. We'll see. But for me, if it depended on me, it counts for August, but I don't know. It's a matter of their arrangement. I think, let me check, because in July, we were paid on the 1st of July. 1st of July counted for 1st of July counted for July or August. I think it counted for June. I don't know. It doesn't matter really right now, because it's like that. Other month gets more percentages, the other month gets lower percentages because of the number of the weeks. Some week collapse in the other months, the other weeks collapse in the other month. So it's always like that. But at the end, we only have 52 weeks in a year. So all those 52 weeks will count. So that's what matters. So thank you very much for staying till the end, and have a great weekend, everyone. Take care of yourselves and your family. So I'll end this video right here. But this is what's going on with COTPs. So I can't do anything right now. That's all I can do. And I just felt like I was ignoring people who were asking questions about COTPs. So I had to show you what's going on. So you guys don't ask me how the way I opened the website. You saw me open it. You saw me right here, as you can see on the screen, and there is the same thing. It's not a picture because people think it's a picture. It's not a picture. So it's always like that, but they have to decide when it's gonna come back. They know when they're gonna bring it back. I don't know. Sorry about that. I don't know when they're gonna bring it back. So I'll end this video here, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you for the next video. All right. Bye now.